Hey guys, Russ here. We're doing our economic weekend review for August 12th. Really going to look at two things, the inflation and the jobless claims. Really want to keep our eye on that as we move towards the Fed meeting in September. We saw again that inflation relaxed to 2.9%. That's the first time we've been under 3% since I think it was March of 2021. So we're seeing that continue to relax. Of course, we still have inflation, but the rate is decreasing, which is what we want to see. A lot of people are saying that shelter, motor vehicles, motor vehicle insurance costs were the key reason for price pressure that we've seen the last month. Shelter components driving 90% of the monthly increase in all the items in the index. Many major items such as energy, new and used cars, airline fares actually saw prices flatten or even go downward in July. This suggests that most of the inflation has been really stopped, except for a few key areas that are really like artificially high. So the bottom line is that the CPI is showing us that consumer inflation has signs that the economy and the job market are slowing. This is really leading us to believe with almost certainty that the Fed is going to reduce their Fed funds rate. If that happens, we should start to see a lot of those mortgage-backed securities start to relax as well. Hopefully that some of that's already being priced in. But then the last thing I want to talk about is just initial jobless claims fell by 7,000 this last week. Also continuing claims fell by 7,000. So initial and continuing claims fell a little bit last week, but they're still showing that it's hard once you don't have a job to find a new one. The economy is stagnant in that area. So overall, Economic Weekend Review is showing a trend line towards a September Fed funds rate decrease. Hopefully we see some of that. We start to see some better rates for mortgage-backed securities. As we see that, we might start to see more buyers enter the market. So we'll keep an eye on for you. Also, as always, thank you for watching, and I will catch you on the next video. Thanks, guys.